Welcome to another instructional video series. In this video, we'll run through how to create different payment plans within your management portal. From the dashboard, click on the Locations tab, and then click on the Payment Plans tab. To create a new payment plan, click on the New button. The pop-up window presents the different types of plans you can create. We'll do a quick overview of all four plans. So let's click on the first plan, the free plan. This style of plan is normally used where you provide prepaid cards to guests and want to give them complimentary Wi-Fi. When you click Next, you'll see three fields that allow you to tailor this plan and place restrictions around the amount of time with which the user is connected, or alternatively, the amount of data the user can consume. For most plans, you would either choose time or you would choose data. So for example, if I wanted to give complimentary Wi-Fi on a time limit, I'd input, say, 60 minutes with no data limit and make the plan expire within 1 day. Note the expiration can be set from days to minutes. We find most clients prefer to give complimentary Wi-Fi based on a data limit. So in this case, I'd make my time 0, my data limit say 10 meg, and then let them have it for say 5 days. Whether you choose a time or data limit, you'll always need to set an expiration date for the plan. Now click Next and we move on to part 3, bandwidth throttling. This is where you can regulate the user's bandwidth by adjusting their download and upload speeds. As a guide, if you want your guests to stream a high-res video, you'd need around 3 meg plus. As our example is a data allowance example, we'll set both download and upload speed to the upper limit of 10 meg. Click Next and set if you want the user to see this plan or not. If you click Private, the plan won't be able to be seen by the users on the menu of plans available on your login page. For plans that you want users to see, click Public. Click Next and give your plan a name. We'll call it 10 meg for 5 days plan. And click Finish. And you'll see your new plan has been added to the list of plans on the Payment Plans tab. So that's complimentary or free plans covered. Let's now look at how to create a casual plan. Again, click on New and select Casual and click Next. This plan is pretty much the same theory and setup as the free model, except the casual plan enables you to charge for Wi-Fi access. So same as before, we'll do a data usage plan. So time is 0 minutes with 10 meg of data, and the plan must be used within 5 days. And this time we'll charge $10 for the data. Again, we'll set both download and upload speeds at the upper limits. Make it public so you can see the plans on the login menu of plans, and name it. Say 10 meg plan for $10. And click Finish, and you'll see your plan again has been added to the list of plans. To create the third type of plan, click New and select Data Pack. This is a top-up feature. So if, for example, I was on the casual plan 10 meg for $10 for 5 days, but went through the data in the first 2 days, I simply buy a data pack to add additional data to my account. Click Next and simply add the amount of data in the pack, say 15 meg, and the price of the data, say $15. And you've created a data pack that can be added as a top-up if the user runs out of data prior to the expiry date. It's important to note that the expiry date doesn't change. So in our example, the user now has 15 meg to use in the remaining 3 days of the plan. Again, click Next, configure the speeds. We'll set them at the upper limits again. Click Next, make it public, give it a name, say 15 meg for $15, and click Finish. Again, you'll see your plan added to the list. So now click New, and we'll look at the fourth plan, the auto renewal plan, which automatically resets the users. This type of account is normally reserved for longer term users or users who want to buy data on a recurring nature. So select the plan, and you'll see the auto renewal plan can be set to renew either monthly or daily. We'll choose the daily setting, click next, and then under the settings you'll need to specify the daily data allowance. We'll say 10 meg and set the price for $5 a day. If you want to charge a one-off establishment fee with the plan, you'd input the charge here. For our example, we'll skip any charges, so leave it at 0. Click next and configure the download and upload speeds. Again, we'll set them to the upper limit of 10 meg. Next, you'll need to decide on what to do when the user exceeds their data allowance. If you don't tick Shape the Connection box, the user connection will be cut off once the data limit has been exceeded. If you do not want to cut off the user, tick the shaping box. We would recommend ticking the box, as the tenant then stays connected at a low speed and will be more likely to purchase a data pack to see them through to the start of their next data allowance with acceptable download speeds. So once you've ticked the shaping box, set the download and upload speeds that you want to apply once the data allowance has been exceeded. You want to basically keep them connected, but with a speed that has them wanting to purchase an additional data pack. So in this instance, we'll set both shaping limits to 256 kilobytes a second. And click next. Again, set if you want the user to see this plan or not. We'll click public. Next, give your plan a name. We'll call it the 10 meg plan for $5 a day. And click finish. Again, you'll see your plan added to the list. So that's the 4 types of plans you can set up and use in combination with one another. The free, the casual, the data pack, and the auto renewal. Once you've set up your plans, you can easily access and edit them from the Payment Plan tab. To edit a plan you've created, simply click on the plan off the menu and make adjustments from the pop-up window. Say for example, I want to change the price of this plan to $8. I need to change the name and possibly the expiration date, 4 days, and then to update, click the update button, and you'll see the plan details have been updated and changed. You can also delete a plan by clicking on the plan and hitting the delete button, where you'll be asked if you want to delete the plan. In this case, we'll say no. Another helpful feature on this tab is that you can sort all of the plans by price, data, time, expiry, and access by simply clicking on the heading and choosing the order you want to sort by. So if I want the plans listed from lowest to highest by price, I simply click on the order, and if I want to keep the plans in that order, I simply click Save Order. So that's how you create and edit the various types of payment plans on the management portal. For more videos like this, please check out the portal help section.